I think that the challenges in data security are that it is very difficult to track data as it is going around within the enterprise and to external agencies, to external applications and ungoverned clouds and so on. So just being able to track is becoming difficult, and then to secure and then be compliant with privacy regulations in different countries is becoming nearly impossible. And this is all complicated by the fact that most of us are working from home now. So it's a perfect storm that has come together in the last one and a half years. I'll share two examples. One is a large financial services company, 100,000 plus employees spread across the world. And the challenges that they were facing is that employees were going home. Everybody was working from home, especially in the last 1.5 years or so. And combined with that, the enterprise had to comply to privacy regulations in 90 countries. Right now, these two things are at odds with each other, because privacy regulations mean that the enterprise needs to have control. It should be able to delete, right to forget, all of that. And doing this in combination to having every employee work from home and all data going home was a tough thing to implement.
Correct.
And of course, the enterprise was moving all its operations to the Microsoft cloud in this case. The way Seclore came in and helped here is that we enabled the enterprise to embed security policies into the data itself. So irrespective of whether the data is in the Microsoft cloud or in an employee's home device, security and privacy and compliance postures were being complied to. The other case is a large manufacturing company which was sharing a lot of confidential data with external agencies and again using the Microsoft cloud. And their first reaction was to not open up the Microsoft cloud for external participation. So it was largely an internal only measure, right? Only employees can use the cloud. And that to a large extent defeated the purpose of some of these technologies like OneDrive.
Absolutely.
Are great technologies to use for external collaboration. And with Seclore, because security was embedded into the data itself, now the enterprise was able to open up its cloud services for external collaboration, right? So you could have in a OneDrive folder, you could have external agents and internal employees all participating and working collaboratively without worrying about, again, security, privacy. In their case, export control regulations were also a big thing. I think it has become the biggest inhibitor to digital transformation. Enterprises want to go through digital transformation, customer self-service, employee self-service, and so on. And the biggest hurdle to that is security, privacy, and compliance. And if that is taken off, then enterprises can fast track the journey to the digital transformation. And I think that's why security, specifically data security, has become such a big boardroom topic for some time now, and it's reached a crescendo now with so many breaches and and governments, enterprises, individuals all becoming more and more security aware. One reason why enterprises pick Seclore over other options, including ones available within the Microsoft stack itself, it is because of automation. What we've been able to do is automate away the need for end users or security administrators to participate in a security decision making, like which piece of information requires what kind of security and how does this security evolve as time progresses or the information reaches different stages of the workflow. What we've been able to do very successfully is through integrations with DLP, CASBs, collaboration systems like emails and document management and so on. We've been able to automate away the need for end users and security administrators to get involved in the process. And that's reduced overheads associated with deploying, using this class of technologies. So automation, I would say, is the single biggest reason for this.